In this video, we'll be covering production groups, which is a great way of splitting up your production reports if you have multiple chefs in the kitchen or if you just like preparing different meals together at different times. So to start this, the first thing we're going to do is come to our settings page and our advanced tab, and we're just going to make sure that production groups is toggled on. Then we'll come back to our production page, and you'll see we have some new buttons here now. I have my edit groups button and some production groups that I've already created. And then your select groups button, which will choose what gets displayed to us here in production. So we'll get back to this in a moment. But for now, let's look at edit groups. And you see I have groups such as chicken, turkey, beef. You can name these anything you want. So for example, if there's a chef in the kitchen named Scott that handles all of your seafood, then you could just name the production group after him and you could assign those meals to his report. In this case, I'm going to stick with using the actual food groups just because it's a little bit easier to recognize. So I'll just go ahead and click OK. Now that those groups are added, all I need to do is come to my menu, and when I pull up a meal, you'll see that there is now a new production group area right here on the menu. So what I could do is go ahead and assign each of my meals to a production group and click OK. And now when I'm doing production, I come to select groups. I can just hit something like remove all. And now if I hit chicken, it's going to show me just my chicken dishes and I can go ahead and print this out. Or if I want to see just my turkey dishes, I can go ahead and print this out. Or, of course, we could print all groups at once up here on the top right-hand corner. Let me just go ahead and hit Add All again so it displays everything. And if I hit Print All Groups, then it'll print all of those on separate pages for me.